beauties, welcome back to Glam by Nadej. If it's your first time here, my name is Nadej. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a summer cut crease. If you're interested, then keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. Starting off, I'm using the Festival by Juvia's palette. And I'm going to be using the color Olafa, and I'm putting this in the crease of my eye. I am doing circular motions and window wiping motions to really help to blend this product out. I already filled my eyebrows in off camera, and I primed my eyelids with concealer. From the same palette, I am taking the color Oro, which is like a golden yellow, and I am blending this right above my crease into the orange. I'm taking the color Uli, which is a white shimmery color, and I am putting this underneath my brow bone and also in the inner corner of my eyes. Highlighting the inner corner really helps to make this look pop. I'm taking the red burgundy color in this palette, and I am putting this on the outer corner of my eyes, blending it into the crease. I'm starting the smoked effect to my look. For my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, I am taking the darkest shade Rowdy, and I am putting this underneath the orange. And I know it looks a little wild right now, but don't worry, this is all going to be blended out later. To start my semi-cut crease, I am taking the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the color Bare Study, and I'm putting this right into my crease, taking my time to make it as neat as possible. I am taking the color Rose Quartz from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. The MAC Bare Study Paint Pot really helps to bring out this shimmery shadow. It looks so pretty and so pigmented. Now I'm taking the same color Rowdy from the Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm putting this on the outer corner of my eyes, blending it into the other shadows that I have. I'm taking my time to blend this color in to give me a really nice smoked effect, and I am using circular motions to really blend this out. To line my eyes, I am using the Huda Beauty Lifeline eyeliner. I'm doing a very simple line. I'm not doing my usual, which you beauties know is my wing liner. I love my wing liner, but I'm gonna keep it simple because the eyeshadow is very dramatic on its own. For my lashes today, I am using eyelashes that I got off Amazon. I will leave a link in my description box below so you could check them out. Now that my eyeshadow look is complete, I am taking my foundation. I am using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the color Chai. I am using the Beauty Bakery makeup sponge to blend my foundation out. To conceal underneath my eyes, I use the Juvia's Place Concealer. And to set my concealer, I use the Fenty Beauty Banana Pro Filt'r Setting Powder. To contour, I am using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Espresso. I'm contouring on the edges of my forehead, right underneath my cheekbones, and on my jawline. To make my cheekbones pop even more, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Banana Powder and I'm putting it right underneath where I contoured. To contour my nose, I am using my favorite, the Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchstick. Before I apply my highlighter, I always set my face to give me a dewy look. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer. I absolutely love this stuff. To highlight today, I am using the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's a very popular highlighter. I feel like it's just so beautiful. It's really gorgeous and it's my go-to highlighter most of the time. To line my lips today, I am using the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner and I am using the color Raisin. Now I'm topping off my lips with the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in the color Rosy Future. And that's it for my look. This is my first really dramatic look that I've done here on YouTube. I'm so excited to show you guys many more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video.